Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? Good news, probably not. That popping sound? It's just gas bubbles bursting inside your joint fluid, not your bones grinding together. Multiple studies actually found no strong link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. But cracking too hard or too often can sometimes cause temporary swelling or weaken your grip over time. So if your mom says, "Stop cracking your fingers, you'll get arthritis," science says, not exactly. Follow for more quick medical myths busted.